Greetings once again, my fellow Star Trek fans. I'd like to welcome you to another video involving Star Trek. And this one is involving Star Trek The Next Generation. I'm very pleased to show you guys. It's been, let's see, the last video that I made, the shipment that I got was December 10th. And it is now March 4th. So it's been almost 3 months since the last shipment of the Eaglemoss build the U.S.S. Enterprise D. And what I want to show you are one of the extras that they offer when you sign up. I'm talking about the display stand. Now, I haven't opened this box yet. It feels pretty light because they have two stands you can get. They have the regular one and they have the upgrade. Now, I had upgraded to the one that lights up. So I don't know if they're going to send them both out just still or if they made an error. But this is the Star Trek The Next Generation Build the Enterprise NCC-1701-D display stand. 2021 CBS Studios. Eaglemoss. 2021 West 36th Street, 3rd floor, New York. Funny, it came from Indiana, and you can see the address is New York City. But let me put the camera on the tripod, and we're going to open up the box. All right, let's cut the tape. There we go. All right, I have some bubbles for the wrapping. And let's see. All right, so the first thing you get when you open up the box, it looks like a plastic cover. And it's triangular in shape. You can see on both sides it's got Star Trek The Next Generation. And you get a box. And that's it. That's everything that's in the shipment. So when you open up the box, you get a tripod. And that's it. That's everything in the box. So let me show you guys the tripod. And we will set it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can see it's got the square at the end. It's kind of like what you put a camera on. So let's see if there are any kind of instructions at all inside this part. All right. You can see it's got the little 3M adhesive strip. And you open it up, it does, yep, it opens up. And this is actually cardboard. You can see how it opens up. So, this is what you get in this shipment. We get the tripod and we get the cardboard to go around it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to take it to an area and we're going to set it up and I'll show you how it goes. And you're going to unscrew it to loosen it. And you're going to see that's going to open up all of the legs. And you push it all the way down just like that. Screw it back in place. Just like that. And now you take the cardboard, and you can see the adhesive strip. You're going to bend it, but I just want to show you. You're going to drape it over, just like that. And it's actually going to fold over. I'm not going to put the open the adhesive, only because this isn't the one I ordered, and I'm not going to use this one. But you fold this part in, and you'll peel off the adhesive tape. And then when you put it on, you can see how it'll go. Just like that. And then you put your ship on top when it's finished. Again, there are two different ones that you can order. I ordered the one that's kind of rectangular and it lights up. I didn't order this one, but I just wanted to show you guys how it goes together.